Good morning. Good morning. Good day to you, sir. Good day to you, sir. He is still not well. He is still not well. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. I will call you later. I will call you later. I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. Please give me your hands. Please give me your hands. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I did not understand. I did not understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Could you stay away from my stuff? Could you stay away from my stuff? I am sorry. I am sorry. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. I don't know. I don't know. We both like each other. We both like each other. Come quickly. Come quickly. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What is your problem? What is your problem? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. How are you? How are you? What is going on? What is going on? What are your likes and dislikes? What are you likes and dislikes? Sorry for the inconveniences. Sorry for the inconveniences. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Will you please help me with this? Will you please help me with this? This is not a joke. This is not a joke. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. What is happening here? What is happening here? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? What do you want for me? What do you want for me? How old are you? How old are you? Where is your office? Where is your office? Get ready to go to school. Get ready to go to school. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. Are you joining us? Are you joining us? I am very pleasure to meet you. I am very pleasure to meet you. You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. This is not fair. This is not fair. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Please say something. Please say something. I will come again. I will come again. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I wish you a happy married life. I wish you a happy married life. Please be seated. Please be seated. I am on my way. I am on my way. When will you reach? When will you reach? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Is everything alright? Is everything alright? Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Thanks for watching my video. Keep learning.